Welcome to the Paywise app. If you have a novated lease, this video will show you how to view your lease information, manage your budgets, and submit claims directly from the app. From the home screen, you can view your available balance and spendable balance. It's a good idea to check your balance regularly before submitting claims or payment requests. If your balance is low or showing as negative, please contact the Paywise team, as this may indicate your package needs adjusting to better cover your vehicle expenses. You can also view a detailed breakdown of your lease, including the budget allocated to each expense category and how much has already been spent. From here, you can adjust your budgets by selecting Adjust Package and following the prompts. For example, if you've been driving more than expected or fuel prices have increased, you may need to increase your budget. Adjustments can be temporary or ongoing. Simply choose when you'd like the change to begin, enter the amount you'd like to adjust by, add any additional information if required, and submit your request. Need to claim an expense? Select Claims and follow the prompts. If you paid for approved vehicle expenses such as registration, servicing, tyres, fuel, or even a car wash, simply upload your itemised receipt and submit your claim. Once approved, the funds can be reimbursed directly into your nominated bank account. By selecting Account, you can manage your security settings, view or update your reimbursement account details, and get in touch with the Paywise team through the live chat feature. Managing your novated lease is easy with Paywise app. Everything you need is available in one convenient place. And if you ever need assistance, the Paywise team is here to help.